guys, GG Gang here, and we're hopping in some Masco Motocross 2 Jam Week, and so yeah. I'm doing my daily challenge for the 13th bike. Comment down below if you wanna see more of this content. Okay boys, so we won that and my time was 56 seconds. UFO Santi is first in the world right now. So yeah, let's try again. Okay, he pulled away quicker than I thought he would. So you gotta like pop over that. Okay boys, so I messed up there, so and sorry if I restart too many times. Comment down below if you want me to play with any of you guys if you play this game. Let's see how many attempts I'm at. So we're gonna go see how many attempts I'm at right now. So yeah. So I'm at 93 attempts, so I need more attempts. I've been practicing my scrubs. My scrubs might be a little bad, so sorry about that. Now let's see how many attempts I'm at. So boys, when I'm done with my attempts, I'm gonna end the video and I might go live later. So I'm at 100 attempts, so this is gonna be the end of the video, so I hope you liked it. See you in the next one.